When you are ignored by a person whose attention means the most to you, the reaction in your brain will be similar to physical pain. The less you say, the more your will matter. When you focus on problems, you will more problems. When you focus on possibilities, you will more opportunities. Don't change clothes just after you came home, till you start the first productive activity. You should only listen to a very small group of people on this planet. Why would you take advice from someone who hasn't done what you want to do? If you want it bad enough, you will find a way to make it happen. Not everyone has access to God because God wants peace more than attention. A wise man will make more opportunities than he finds. Wonder is the seed of knowledge. In taking revenge, a man is but even with this enemy, but in passing it over, he is superior. Prosperity discovers vice, adversity discovers virtue. It's not what we eat, but what we digest that makes us strong. Imagination is given to man to compensate him for what he is not, a sense of humor console him for what he is. The general rule of superstition, namely, that man observe when things hit, and not when they missed, and commit to memory the one, and forget the past over the other. It doesn't matter how fast or high you climb on the ladder if it's leaning against the wrong wall. If the ladder is not leaning against the right wall, every step we take just to gets us to the wrong place faster. I reached the pinnacle of success in the business world. In others' eyes, my life is an epitome of success. Material things lost can be found. But there is one thing that can never be found when it is lost. When a person goes into the operating room, he will realize that there is one book that he has yet to finish reading. Whichever stage in life we are at right now, with time, we will face the day when the curtain comes down. Treasure love for your family, love for your spouse, love for your friends. Treat yourself well. Cherish others. In the darkness, I look at the green lights from the life-supporting machines and hear the humming mechanical sounds. I can feel the breath of God of death drawing closer.